Hello guys, welcome to Digital Learners. Today we are going to write the another programming on the write a C programming on to print the 1 to 10 numbers in a sequence. So at first we are going to write the documentation section. uh, C program to print from 1 to 10 numbers. So we have already write this definition section, that is hash include HTA data and hash include CONIO data. For every program these are common, these three lines are basics for every program. So some programs are not required for the CONIO data, but these programs whatever the programs we discussed on this session, we are completely using this particularly these three, and some of them we have addition to this two. We have some more, that is math.h and graphic.h. So this we will discuss on later classes. So today we are going to print the numbers from 1 1 to 1 to 10 numbers. So after the definition and global declaration section, we are going to open linking section with the and I am going to write this integer I and semicolon, enter. For I am going to take in the for loop. So what are the for loop is discussed on the previous classes. So for I is equals to 1 and I is less than 10 or equal to 10, less than or equal I is less than or equal to 10 semicolon, and I is plus plus. So I am closing this bracket and semi with here we don't give the semicolon for loop, and again I am going to open this loop. So we have to print this. So that is printf open bracket quotes and percentage d enclosing the quotes and comma. So I am taking this all values percentage d from I, closing the brackets and closing the with quotes, semicolons, and I am going this for loop and I am closing the total program. So now I am going to save this, and before going to save this is a for loop. Going to command runs for loop, and this code is for print message. Sorry, not message, this is numbers. So we have to print the 1 to from 1 to 10. So first at initially I is 1, and then it will comes with I is less than or equal to 10. So this is an true. So then it will moves into the next stage, that is I plus plus. So it will enter into this, it will print I, that is I is equal to 1. Then again it go into back, then I plus plus. So in I plus plus again we have to increase. So I plus plus, so now I plus 1, so plus plus means plus 1. So I plus 1 is 1 plus 1 is 2. So now again is I is 2. So I is 2 is less than 10, it is also correct. So again it will enter and it will print that 2. So this way until I is equal to 10, 10 is equal to less than or equal to not less than 10 is equal to 10, so it is statement is true, so it will enter into the printf and it will enter in for loop and it will print the 10 and going to back to I plus plus. I plus plus is 11, so 10 plus 1 is 11, so 11 is not less than or equal to 10, so it will false statement, so it will exit from the program. So now I am going to save this as print numbers. So from 1 to 10, and I am going to compile this and I am going to run this. So here is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So if you want a list of numbers, so simply giving it after ending this, simply slash n, slash n, comma I. Okay, oh, sorry, slash n is within this, so slash n and I. Okay, save, and I am going to compile this and run. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So thanks for the watching video. If you want these videos like more, please subscribe to our channel and activate the bell symbol. And if you like this video, then click on like. If you have any doubts on this programming and other things, so please comment on the comment section. Thanks for watching.